Here I have SHARP Aquos R2, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select your language. Let's select English. Next you have to select your region. It could be, for example, United Kingdom. Then tap Start, and then you can connect your SIM card, but if you don't have one, you can just skip this step for now. Next you can connect to the Wi-Fi. But if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step and set up your device offline. Next you can set up your date and time. Next, Google services. If you want, you can leave them. If you don't want them, you can just disable them here. You can also... No, you can't. And anyway, you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy here. Next you can select your lock screen method. It could be face authentication, fingerprint. It could be both face authentication and fingerprint, and you can just only pattern, PIN or password. But if you don't want to set any screen lock, you can just skip the step and do this later in settings. And that's it. Your device is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.